Welcome to our channel. If you want to remove your Pinterest account, follow these step-by-step instructions to permanently delete your profile and data. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to pinterest.com, then log into the account you want to delete. Step 2. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Select Settings from the drop-down menu to access your account settings page. Step 4. Scroll down to the Account Management section near the bottom of the settings page. Step 5. Click on Delete your data and your account to begin the account deletion process. Step 6. Pinterest will provide information about what happens when you delete your account and offer alternatives like deactivating temporarily. Step 7. If you are certain you want to proceed, click Continue to Deletion. Step 8. Enter your password to confirm your identity and verify the deletion request. Step 9. Click Send Email to receive a confirmation email from Pinterest. Step 10. Check your email inbox and click the confirmation link within 14 days to finalize the deletion. If you do not confirm, your account will not be deleted. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.